It's a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analysis. Okay, so it's a SaaS model. What is SaaS mean? Anyone? What exactly SaaS means? What exactly means SaaS? Anyone?
No need to install a software in
Okay, it says software as a service. As a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, got the point. See, same thing. Now, what is Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. What exactly it means? Data migration project. What exactly means?
migration means different source to Snowflake.
Okay, what exactly we're trying to? We are trying to migrate data from different data sources to Snowflake. What are data sources? It can be Oracle database, SQL Server database, so PostgreSQL, then MySQL, DB2, then SAP HANA, Redshift. So these are the databases. From there, we are trying to migrate. What exactly we are trying to migrate? The tables, the views, the procedures, and functions we are trying to migrate from on-premises to Snowflake. Next question is that why companies data want to move to Snowflake? What's the main reason?
Cost cutting.
Okay, it's the main reason, say cost cutting. Okay, so you go back here, say cost cutting, and then performance, then huge volumes. Okay, so huge volumes and ease of maintenance and scale up. There's so many reasons are there, we can able to get it. Okay, so this is one. Tell me, after completion of this course, what is the role or job profile you're trying to apply? Role or job profile?
Snowflake developer.
Okay, so we are Snowflake developer, or we call as Snowflake data engineer. Tell me, what are the team members will have in a project? Team members?
Snowflake admin.
Developers will be there, like depends on junior and senior resource will be there. And in similar fashion, tell me, Snowflake admin, then
Testing team. Snowflake testing
Snowflake
team.
architect will be there and testing team will be there. We are part of a development team. So development team. Okay, so development team. Next step is that what? Testing team. And next step is that what? And BA team. So they'll be the requirement to us. Okay, requirement. And the team lead, the project manager, and the client. So same thing like this, you can able to get. Okay. And tell me daily what type of call will be there? What type of call?
Scrum call.
Okay, see, we're having Scrum call or status call. Okay. And how the work will come to us? Through ticketing tools. Okay, what are ticketing tools we'll have in the market? We're having mostly Jira, the ServiceNow, then any other things? Azure DevOps, then that's it. We are having Monday.com. Like, okay, so mostly we'll have Jira ticketing tool, the ServiceNow. So see anyone, ServiceNow or Azure DevOps or Monday.com. Okay, got the point out of this. Anything. Okay, so mostly other tickets will be assigned in the Jira stories. So this is now next question is that how can I communicate with Snowflake? Tell me, how can I communicate with Snowflake?
SQL.
Through SQL. SQL is nothing but say structured query language. Got a point. See, okay, again these are divided into SQL languages or SQL commands. So these are very important. Okay, that's why I'm saying one more time. Commands. Okay, then SQL statements. Okay, statements. Next is the basic building blocks of SQL. See, SQL languages, commands, statements are basic build, all related to what? Related to only one, that is DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and we will close the same thing. Okay, so DDM, DML, TCL, DRL. So these are the SQL. See, simple. If you go for English, we're having the alphabets. Okay, alphabets. Okay, so if I go for same thing for SQL, we're having these commands, all the things. So it's called as basic building blocks of SQL. That is data definition language. Okay, same thing, data manipulation language. Okay, what about TCL? Abbreviation for TCL? Tell me anyone.
Transaction control language.
So transaction control language. See, transaction. So remember, sometimes interviews they'll ask the basic questions. Okay, if you say complicating, if you not the basic, it will be difficult. See, transaction control. The same thing, data retrieval or query. So query language. Okay. So what about DSL? Say data control language. What the point? See, so definition, manipulation, transaction. These all things will be there. Okay. So this is fine. Now same thing. Now go back here. We'll see step by step and close this topic today. We will end up this statement. Okay. Tell me what are details we're having? Definition, create, alter, and drop. So create, alter, and drop. Okay. So these are the details. Create, alter, and drop. What exactly create will do? Create will do.
Create the new object.
To create a new database object. What database object we're having? You can say database is there, schema is there. Tell me what database objects we're trying to work.
Table.
Tables. Again, we're having the views. In this one, you're having secure views, metalized views, normal views. And the logic, how the logic will be written in the form of procedures and functions. And then sequences concept. There are so many things. Okay, so as no databases, schemas, tables like this we can able to make. Now try to create simple tables. Suppose like go back here. We'll see one use case. So 1 second, let me open. So okay, only 1 or 2 guys are sending tasks. Okay, see one more time saying if you are able to the task, you can able to get it done. Suppose like this table we are trying to get it. Okay. Now take a screenshot. Okay. Now what happened? Now this data I want to create. Now first what we should have? We should have one Snowflake. What we should have? Snowflake account. Tell me for Snowflake account, do we need to install any software?
No.
No, because a SaaS model, software as a service. Tell me we should log in with user ID and the password. Okay. Remember one thing. So this in Snowflake in real time projects, no, we can able to log in with the help of user ID and the password. Any other way? Anyone? Apart from user ID and password, any other way? Tell me.
No.
Two-factor verification.
So we're having MFA is that is multi-factor authentication. Okay, see multi-factor authentication. No, understand high level what is the authentication. And one more thing is the SSO. Okay, SSO. What is SSO? It's a single sign-on will be there. Okay, see one more time. We can able to log in with the user ID and password or MFA and SSO. See mostly we have user ID and password. So we can able to understand like MFA, that is multi-factor authentication and a single sign-on. We can able to. Okay, so these are things we can assume like. So we are log into Snowflake account. So this is the thing. Now we are logging with user ID and password. Now same thing. Now go back here. And remember one thing, Snowflake support what type of cloud? Cloud?
AWS.
Okay,
Amazon,
AWS, Azure, GCP. Tell me in this current account, how can you find what is my region? What is my account? So see, go back here. See, so click on this thing. So click on this value. So tick mark will be there. Now see, what is the cloud we are using?
Amazon.
So AWS, Amazon Web Services. So my company project is there in Singapore project. What the point? And what about the edition? Enterprise edition. One more time. So Snowflake supports multi-cloud, that is AWS, Azure, and GCP. How can you figure out? See, go back here. So select current region. Okay, see, go back here. Now see what happened. We are which cloud? So AWS, AP, Southeast Asia. Got the point. See, AWS is the cloud we're using. Okay. How can I figure out? Click on this URL. Okay, click on this account. Okay, suppose let's see, this is Amazon Web Services. This is US East project. Okay, and enterprise. Got the point. Like this way, you can able to figure out. So what is my username? See, go back here. See, organization, AWS cloud. My company is a US East project and enterprise. You can able to. So now go back here one more time. Now what happened? Tell me for this use case, I want to create one table. What name I can able to create for this use case? Name of this use tell me table to me. Can I go for Pravina? What's the name I can able to give? I want to give one proper name to this table. What name I can give able to suggest? Give me one. Other. What other?
Other
It's
account.
so create table and that is other registration, something like other details underscore T. What is underscore T? It's a table. Okay, so table. Okay. And what is other number? It's a what data type? Other number. What is the data type? Other number.
Number.
Number data type. So number data type. So same thing. Next to go back here. Okay. Name is what data type? Name.
Varchar 2.
Varchar. Okay. See, Snowflake supports what yesterday we discussed. Snowflake supports varchar 2. Then text string char. What internally convert into varchar.
Okay.
So one more time. So Snowflake support varchar to text string char, but internally convert into varchar. Okay. We can able to give anything. So same thing, name. Next step is the address. Control D is the shortcut. So address is also varchar. Okay, same thing, control D, comma you should put. So for every columns, comma separated, comma value, address. Next word, mobile number is what data type?
Number.
It's a number data type. Okay, so same thing. Next step is that what? Email is what data type? Email.
Varchar.
Okay, you can able to put anything. Varchar is something. Okay, varchar is fine. Now, so see bracket open, bracket close. See, we should put comma here. No need.
No.
If you would, it will throw error. Okay, see, bracket open, bracket close. Always follow the coding alignment. So code rules will be there. Okay, we should follow the same thing. Okay, so copy the same thing. Control X. See, now what happened? Now we should have one Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. Login with what is it? With the user ID, password, or SSO or MFA. Okay, this is fine. Next step is that what? So user ID, password, and next step is that what? Tell me. Okay, so Scrum call is there. Okay, Scrum call is there. So you are having the bandwidth is there. Now what happened? Scrum Master is assigning a Jira ticket, and where you should work in the development data. You should link up. Okay, so Scrum call will be there, bandwidth will be there like Scrum Master. They're trying to assign Jira ticket and the development database. So development database. So development schema and the same. Okay, go back here. Snowflake account already there. Now create one database. So create database. Okay, suppose like it's a Aadhaar DB, something. It's a development database. Same thing, create schema. So create schema, Aadhaar schema. Tell me in real time who will create these databases and schemas, which guy?
Admin.
Which admin? There are so many admins. Which admin? Snowflake admin will be there. So we are developers. Okay, see now, by using query, I want to figure out what is my database name and what is my schema name. How can I figure out? By using select current database.
Current database.
Current database, comma, current schema. So these are the basic things you should have knowledge of. Okay. Now in this C, refresh the same thing. Okay, or else you can go for show databases. Okay, now see, there will be multiple database. See, right now it's in is current. Okay, see, it's current database. Okay. Now in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. How can I see list of tables? Go for show tables. As of now, nothing are there. Now what happened? Create the table. So see, create the table. Okay. So before that, no, okay, see, okay, try to create the table. So table has been formed. Okay, see what's saying, tell me. Is that what? A simple thing. What is the issue? So we should give only one name. It is giving two times. So see, table has been created. Now, if I go for show tables, it will give list of tables. Okay, same thing. Now I want to see columns, show columns. Okay, or if a particular table, go for describe table. Okay, so how to get the definition? Definition.
Table.
No, this is give columns. No.
Select get DDL.
Get DDL. Okay. So get underscore DDL, bracket open, bracket close. So put the table. Okay, and the table name. So it will give you definitions. Okay, see the DDL script. So DDL script. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now what happened? Okay, so this is no issues. Suppose like I want to add a suppose I want to add something like okay state column. How to add a state column?
Alter table name. Add column.
Okay, alter table name, add state varchar. Tell me the new column where it will get added.
And last.
At the last. Okay, see. So okay, so before that, I want to see the data. How can I see the data in the table?
Select statement.
Select statement. That is DRL, data retrieval or data query language. That is select star from the table. It is projecting all the columns and all records. Now what happen if I try to add the new column will be added at the last. Okay, so you got the point of so clear so far. So this is fine, no issues. Clear so far? Yes, I'm getting the point. So this is no issues. Okay. Now what happened? Okay, now suppose like I don't want this column anymore. Then what I should do?
Drop.
We should go for same thing. Drop. Okay, see. Alter table name. Drop column. That's it. Okay, see like this. For the fantasy. So far this is no issues. Okay. Now come back to use case. Okay, see, go back here now. What expecting next step is that what table has been created. Now I want to populate this all the records. How can I populate all the records? How can I populate? By using what concept? By using it is DML. Okay, see, so far DL is discussed. Now we should go for DML concept. So DML. So see, come back here, same thing now. So next step is that what DML, that is data manipulation language. What are the commands we're having in this DML?
Insert,
update, delete,
merge,
truncate.
So insert, update, delete, and merge, and one more thing is truncate. So here in Snowflake, truncate is also DML. Okay, see, insert, update, delete, merge, truncate. What about DL so far discussed? That is create, alter, and drop. Okay, so new objects, existing object modification, and removing the objects from database. So DML, insert, update, delete, merge, and truncate. Now what exactly insert will do? What exactly insert?
Insert the value.
Insert the values.
Where exactly insert?
Insert the column into values.
Insert the value in table. Insert the value in table as per the column.
Okay, to insert a new record where in the existing database and existing table. First, you should have one database, and this database table should be there. It is used to insert a new record in the existing table. Got the point of without table, we can't able to insert a new record. Okay, see, it is used to insert or populate a new record in the database table. Okay, syntax is that what? So insert. Now then, tell me, insert into table name. Okay, see, column 1, column 2. Okay, see, like this way you should write. Okay, so you're sending the task, but what happened in a proper manner we should send. Okay, see, column 1, column 2, like this. Okay, see, values. Okay, see, coding practice we should follow. Okay, then only you can able to get val 1, val 2. Tell me it will work. 2 columns, 3 columns, 2 values work. It will throw.
It will not work, sir. Yeah.
Okay, 3 columns, 3 values you should put. Okay, so this is fine. Now go back here, insert into table name. What's the table name? Okay, I forgot the table name. How to get the table name?
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Control enter is a shortcut key. Okay, copy the same value. Now see, select star from our table name. Okay, see, so far good. Okay, now the requirement is that what? Okay, they want to populate Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. They want to go for 3 columns. Okay, see, insert into table name. So what's the table name? Aadhaar details. So bracket open, bracket close. What's the column? Aadhaar number. So they want Aadhaar number. So always follow like this. Okay, Aadhaar number, name. One more column is that what? Mobile number. Okay, see the same thing. Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. Okay. So comma. Again, comma is required. No. Okay. See. So comma, comma, at last, no need of comma. Okay. Now go for values. So values, bracket open, bracket close. So what the values are expecting? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, go back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the same thing and try to execute here. Suppose like say the same thing. Now what happened? I put like this. See what's saying? SQL compilation error. What exactly means? What exactly means? Tell me.
Table does not exist.
So see what I say now. If you want to insert a new record, table should be there. Without table, we can't table get it. Okay, see. So first table should be there. Okay, see. So table. Now what happened? Tell me it work? 3 columns, 1 value. It work?
No.
No, it won't work. See the same thing. See SQL compilation error. Insert value list does not. So in the sense like what? Compulsory what? Should put 3 values. Okay, see other number. Suppose like I'll put something like same thing. Now what happened? Comma 1, comma 1, comma 1. Now see it is the again error. Okay. So 3 we got 5. So this is issue. Okay. So same thing. Now what happened? I'm putting something like Praveen Kumar. Tell me it work? 3 columns, 3 values work?
No.
Anyone? No. Why?
No, it won't work.
Why?
Data
It
type
is
is
not
not matched.
matching.
Data type is not matched.
So before data type, we tell me it work. They're saying it will say invalid identifier. What exactly is the same thing? Invalid identifier. It's not about data type. What exactly it means? In simple thing, tell me.
String, we need to put in single quotes.
Okay. See, this is what alphabets. Alphabets compulsory needs to enter with single quotes. So that's the main issue. Okay, see single quotes. Now see if I put Praveen now, next I will give Kumar will give. Like this only we should learn. Okay, so do the mistakes we can able to. Now see what happened. 3 columns, 3 values work. Now see it work. Now tell me 3 columns are there, 3 values are there. Now tell me it work.
No, it won't work. Aadhaar
Why?
number.
Data type. Data
So
type
see
is
what
not.
happened. Next step is that so numeric value issue. So numeric value issue is nothing but what say? It's about it's a data type issue. Data type. See what happened. So see what's in Praveen is the issue. So Praveen is at which column? It is at which column? It is in Aadhaar number. Now go back here. So describe table name. Like this you should understand. Okay, see describe table name. Okay, see the same thing. So describe table. So remember, so Praveen is storing at which column? Tell me. At which column Praveen is storing? Mobile number or name or which column? Praveen?
Name.
No. Not name.
It's storing Aadhaar number.
Aadhaar number. So see first column, first value. Second column, second value. Mobile number, mobile. So got the point. See issue is that what? So issue is that Praveen Kumar Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar number is what data type? It's a number data.
Number data.
Remember, in number we should expect only number things. Okay, got the point. Right? See, it is so now copy the same thing and put here. Comma. So 3 columns, 3 values. Now see it will work. It will also throw error. What's saying? Numeric value. Issue is that what? So see it is giving mobile number issues. Go back here, confirm the same thing. It's a what data type? It's a number data type. So remember, in number we should get only number. If you get other than number, it will throw error. Got the point? Huh? So clear so far. So this is no issues. Okay. See now what happened. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same data we should populate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Praveen mobile number. Okay. The same case Praveen and mobile number we should do. So remember for numbers, no need of single quotes. Okay, see. Now try to insert. Okay. So before that, now what happened? I tried to add. Okay. One thing. I'll explain this in later point of alteration. Set auto commit equal to false. I'm putting this thing. I'll explain this thing. Okay. As of now, understand the same thing. Now what happened? Now I try to insert a record. Got a point. See, a record has been inserted. Now how to see this data? How can I see this data?
Select statement.
Select statement. So select star from the table. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. See, data has been populated. Okay, so this is remember, this is called as one session, current session. Okay, now open one more session. Now this is I put new session. Okay, got the point. See, this is important. Listen a little bit. Now see what happened. Now Aadhaar dev DB, Aadhaar dev schema. Okay, so go back here. Aadhaar dev DB, Aadhaar dev schema. Now see the same thing. Okay, see, so select the same thing. Here execute the same. Tell me it will work. Anyone? Data will come or not?
Not work.
Okay, why?
Uh,
Without commit.
Okay, see, what is the reason? Suppose like simple example, I'll try to give. I'll commit this data and so on. See the same thing now. I'm trying to create one table. So create table. So test something. This is my table ID number. Now table has been created. You see? Now see the same thing. Select star from table. Okay, it is projecting all the ID column. Now take the same thing and try to execute in one more session. What will happen to me? It will come or not?
No.
this table will come.
Okay, so table will come. So see, see what is the conclusion? So
Three
conclusion is that what? So DDLs are auto committable. In the sense like what? So once we execute any DDL statement, like create, what things? Create, alter, drop, these changes will be available in all the sessions. One more time. So see, remember one thing, simple thing only. Now remember these are called as sessions. Session 1, session 2, session 3. Now what happened? Now we are in current session. Now I try to add a new column. Alter, table name, add something like number. What happened? Tell me. The new column will be added at the last. Okay, so this is in the current session. What about the new session? Tell me, it will be there. Now
It
column
will
will
be
come
there.
out. It will be there.
Yes,
So
it
because
will come.
so DDLs are auto committable. Once you perform, no need to do anything. It will get automatically reflected in all the sessions or in the entire database. One more time. So suppose like simple thing, try to add one more column. You see UU column. Now see this column will be added here. So see what happened as of now. ID user, if I execute now data, because it's a DDL statement, it will get automatically reflected. Now go back here one more time. Now I'm performing insert statement. So see insert into our table. Suppose like I am trying to insert ID values 1. Okay, see what happened. Now data will be populated one record in the current session. So this is current session. Now what about new session? Data will be there?
No, not there.
Okay, so now what is the reason?
Without DDL DML without commit, it's
Okay,
only
so
current section is available.
okay, so DMLs are not auto committable. So in the sense like what? So once we perform any DML, we should what we should control the transaction. Okay, control the transaction. I'll explain more time. So remember, DMLs are called as transactions. Okay, how to control this transaction? Tell me. I want to control this transaction. How can I control? How can I control?
Commit or rollback.
By
TCL
using what?
comments.
That is TCL comments. See, DMLs are called as transactions. These transactions explicitly needs to control. How can I control these things? We should go for TCL. That is transaction control language. Got a point? See one more time. So transaction control language. Clear so far? So see one more time. So DDLs are auto committable. No need to do anything. So once you do know, it will get automatically reflected in all the sessions in entire database. So what about DMLs? DMLs are not auto committable. We should explicitly control this transaction with the help of transaction control is commit and rollback. Tell me what exactly commit will do.
It commits the
We commit DML comments, DML transactions.
Now what is commit? Commit is nothing but what?
It is
save
stored
the
in the
changes.
database.
Saves.
Permanently stored in database.
Okay, see what it will store?
Whenever in DML operations is going.
Okay, so
that,
data will be permanently where stored in the
database tables.
so stored in database table. So see what happened. Commit is nothing but what? So data will be permanently stored in database table. What about rollback? Okay, see data we are not storing or we are reverting the changes. Okay, simple thing.
Previous
Suppose like,
change.
okay, see control S. What is control S here? What is control S here? Tell me.
Save.
Okay, see. 1 second. Suppose like I'm putting something like, okay, see, 1 second. Now what happened? I'm trying to save the same thing. Okay, now what happened? So see, A3, normal text. Now what happened? Data is coming here. Now data is storing permanently. Control is nothing but say saving data where permanently. Now what happened? Suppose like I try to click on the same thing. Now what happened? Now I try to close the same thing. Now see saying, no, I don't want this change. So it will go undo the changes. Now go back here. Now if I go open the same thing, no data won't be for because so control is nothing but saving data permanently. Rollback is nothing but what I don't want to change this, save the changes permanently in the database. I want to revert these changes. We should go for rollback. We'll see the use case, we'll get some clarity. Okay. Now go back here. Now see here no records are there. But what happened? This data I want to store permanently. Then we should make of commit so that data will be available in all the sessions. See now data will get populated. Same thing one more time. Try to insert. This is very important. Now go for so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see we are getting only what? Only 2 records. What about here? How many records will be populated in this particular table? Only the committed data. The committed data only will be that is. If I want to get the other data, we should put commit. Okay, got the point. So that second data will be populated. Got the point? Clear so far? Same thing. Suppose like I am trying to insert one more record. Okay, this is the record. Now what happened? Now see this data, we're having 3 records. Now what happened? I don't want this committed. Now I will go for rollback. Now tell me how many records will get rollback? All the 3 or only one?
Only one.
Now tell me.
Previous up to commit only, that records only is available. Whenever rollback is there, after commit after insert records, it should be rollback.
Okay, see, remember what is rollback is nothing but what? Okay, the uncommitted. Okay, see, uncommitted changes only will get reverted back. Got the point of the commit? See, commit already these 2 records are committed. If you go back, see, we're getting 2 records because data is getting committed. Got the point of see, data is getting committed. Okay, see, only committed data will be there. What about here? See, here data. If I roll back, now what happened? That uncommitted is what? Only the last record will get reverted back. Got the point. So commit is nothing but so data will be stored permanently. Clear so far? So commit is nothing but data will be stored permanently in the database table. Rollback is nothing but to revert the changes back. Got the point? So I don't want to save the changes anymore. Clear so far? So what is the conclusion? So details are auto committable. DMLs are not auto commit. You should go for commit or rollback. Commit is save data permanently in database. Rollback is nothing but revert the changes back. Clear so far?
Sir, rollback is not understood.
Okay, so one more time, so I'll explain. So we'll see the use case. Okay, 1 second. Let me complete this. You'll get some clarity. Then you can able to get back. See, we'll see the same. We'll insert some data and we can able to get it. Okay, now what happened? Show tables will you list of tables. Okay, now show tables. What happened? Tell me. 1 second. Okay, see, select star from table. Now what happens? See, data is getting 1 record. What about other session? Tell me. Other session also have 1 record because we commit the data. Okay, commit the data. So this is fine. Now what happens? So this is no issues. What about second record? Now what happened? I want to populate this record. So go back here. So go for insert. So I'm performing in the current session. So insert into our table name. Copy the same thing and paste here. Okay, bracket open, bracket close. What are the columns we're having? So see 1, 1, other number, other number. Next game is that what? Name. So first understand, first to go slowly, okay, so you don't be in a hurry by, okay, so name, and next step is that what, so only 2 columns are there. And go for values. Okay, what's the things? Okay, so 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 ones. Okay. Now what happened? Comma Kumar. So Kumar is nothing but what? Say string. String compulsory enclosed with single quote. Okay, so if you get an invalid set, single quote is missing. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me there are 5 columns are there. We are populating only 2 columns. Remaining columns by default, what will get populated?
Null.
Null.
So null will be populated. Okay, see, null will be populated. Okay. So null. What about session? Other session will get the data? No, because what? We did not commit the data. Now I commit, data will be populated. Semicolon, commit so that data will be stored permanently. Now copy the same value. Now what happened? Other number. Next step is that what? Other number, name, address, and email. Okay, see. So select the data. Other number, name, address. So first you should be comfortable with this way. Okay, see, name, comma, address. And one more column is that what? And email. Okay, see. So email. Now see, other number, name, other number, name. Okay, so Raj, and then Kadapa. Same thing. Next step is that one. So mail. Okay, see raj@gmail.com. Tell me to work. It will throw error because it's a string compulsory and close with single quote. Now this is fine, but see it will throw error. What's error? Tell me anyone. Invalid identifier email. What exactly means?
Invalid.
Tell me what is the issue? Invalid identifier. Tell me.
Spelling mistake.
It's a spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. See. So spelling mistake. Okay,
Numeric
what
value.
is it? Okay. No,
Numeric
not
value.
no. See error message. See, it's saying invalid identifier. Okay, see, invalid identifier nothing but see it's highlighted here. So in the sense like say spelling mistake error. Okay, see. So important. Whenever you get like this, now what happens? It's like spelling mistake, or column name is not available. For the pointer, see the same thing. Now try to execute the same. So record has been inserted. Copy the same thing and try to put here. So go back here. Now see what about last record? So see they want other numbers are 6. Okay. Now tell me remaining columns what we can put. So we can able to remove this column or we can able to put null. Okay. So we can able to use null. Okay. So null. Okay. We'll see the same thing in a separate session. Null. Okay. We can able to put null like this. Now see the data by using select star from. Okay. Select star from. It is data retrieval or query language. It is projecting all the columns and all the records in the table. Okay. See. Now 4 records are there. Copy the same value. Now see here how many records will be there. We committed only 1 record. 2 records will be there. Now what happened? Commit. Data will be stored permanently. So see now see 4 records. 4 records. This is fine. Clear so far? Let me take the screenshot. So this is fine. Now so far this is good. Now requirement is that what this is the input. Their expectation is that what in the task. So in the place of Praveen, they want to make it to Praveen Kumar. In the place of address, they want to make it to Kadapa. How can I change the existing data?
Update.
Suppose like here, instead of email, I want to make it to mail. How can I make it to mail? Anyone?
Rename.
Alter statement. Got the point. Alter. Okay, see definition. We should go for alter. So data we should go for DML. Got the point? So definitions, alter statement, that is detail statement. Data we should go for DML. Now requirement is that what I want to modify the existing data, we should go for update statement. Update statement. So far this is important. So see, so far DML, what DML we discuss, that is insert. It's a new record. Okay. What about update? Tell me, anyone? Update, what exactly definition? Update. What
Change
exactly?
change the existing value.
Existing record we cannot.
Okay. It is used to modify or change the existing data. In the sense like what? So data should be there, then only we can able to modify those things. Okay, see one more time. So see, if record is there only, we can able to modify. If record is not there, we can't able to. Now syntax is that what? Update table name, set what we should set column 1 equals to val 1. Same thing. So like this, we can able to have multiple. Column 2 equals to val 2. Okay, got the point. Same thing. Col 3 equals to val 3. Got the point. See, call like this, so you can able to make it done. Okay, clear so far. So same thing. Now go back here. So see, as of now, so I committed data. Both are having same data. Now go back here one more time. See, update table name. So table name. Then what we should set? First task is that what they want, what? So they want name and address. Okay, see. So set name equals to, they want what? So Praveen Kumar, full name. So Praveen Kumar. Okay. So comma, we should put one more comma and we can able to get. Next concept is that what they want to get address. Address equal to, they want to make it a Kadapa. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now if I execute, what will happen? Anybody guess what will happen? What will happen?
All columns should be updated. Name and
not all columns, huh?
yes, without where condition, it should be updated.
Not all columns, all records.
All records, sir.
All records. See what happened?
Yeah.
So see, try to exit what happened. See, it's saying number of rows updated. Now what is saying? See, go back here. Okay, tell me, is it correct? Now we want to change only this thing, but what happened? We don't want. What about the session? What we'll have the latest data. See what happened? You get the previous data. Now tell me, this is correct? This is correct? Now we want to change only first record. But what happened? By mistakenly we update for all the records. Now how to go to previous state? What I should do? The previous state?
Roll back.
Roll back. See, got the point. See, roll back. Roll back, what it will go? It will go to the previous state. That is nothing but see. Okay, so previous committed data. Got the point. See one more time. So see, if I exit, what happened? It will update for all the records. But what happened? We don't want all the records. We want only split. That's why you should go for a rollback. Rollback in a sense like what? This changes. I don't want any more. So see, previous change is nothing but what? So previous committed data is nothing but what? So this is the previous. Now we should go for rollback. Got the quantum. So you see, rollback. It's working. Fine. Clear so far? Is getting the point?
Yes.
So this is rollback. Clear so far? Rollback is nothing but what? So I don't want these changes to be stored permanently in the database. I want to revert to the previous state. That is the committed state. That will go for a rollback. Now what happens? See, very important. Okay, see. Now it is projecting all the columns and all records, but we want only first record. We'll see the same thing filtering concept tomorrow class. So where Aadhaar number. Okay, we don't want all records. We want only particular record. So Aadhaar number equals to, take the value and put here. See, it is fine. Clear so far? So this is clear so far. This is fine. Now what happened? Instead of all the records, take the copy the same thing and put here. That's it. Got the point. If you update now, it will update for all the records. Now we should put the where class. Okay, see, now only one record. So cross verify the same thing. Nothing. So Praveen Kumar. Now it's correct. We should go for commit so that data will be stored permanently. See, these changes will get, as I know, see, Praveen is there. It will be Praveen Kumar and the Kadapa will be there. Got the point. Same thing. Go for one more use case. Second task is that what they want to make it to Hyderabad and the email. Now go for update statement. Tell me syntax. update
Table.
Update
Table
table name.
table name.
Set.
So, okay, so update. 1 second. Update table name.
Set column name is equal to value.
Set what is the column name they're expecting. Their expectation is that what which column they want.
Name.
Address. Not
Address.
address and email. Okay, see address.
Email.
Okay, see address.
Address.
Okay, say address, comma, email. Okay, see email. And what the thing? Okay, see we should go for what? So see, string compulsory enclosed with single quote. Address is say Hyderabad kumar@yahoo.com. Hyderabad. Okay, so after saying mute yourself. Okay, see. Okay, see add email. Next to that, what? Okay, so, what is the thing? Okay, so kumar@yahoo.com. @yahoo.com. Now what happened? Tell me it will update for all the records. Now what happened? Now before that saying invalid. Okay, what exactly means? Tell me.
Address is spelling mistake.
It's a spelling mistake. Okay, see spelling mistake. Okay. So spelling mistake is now what happens? So invalid whenever you get invalid, say spelling mistake or column name is not available. Okay, see now what happens? See it's updating for all records. Now we don't want. We should go for a rollback and use the filtering concept. Okay, rollback. So spelling mistake. Okay. Where copy the same thing, copy this value and put the same. You know, see it's getting one row updated. Now see the data cross with the same thing, and we can able to get the things correctly. Now commit the data so that data will be available in all the sessions in entire database. It will be available. So this is fine. What about the third task? So they want to make it to mobile number one. Okay, see go back here. So copy the same value and put here. Okay. So what is the other value? So see select the same thing. Last one is that what? So they want to get this value. So put the same thing. So put the same here, and they want to get only mobile number. Okay. So remove this value. Until it will work, this value. Yes or no? It will work or not?
Not
Why?
mobile number.
Mobile number in the
So it's a alphabets. Okay, see. So see alphabets. No, it's a numeric value. Remember when I'll get numeric, it's a data type. Data type issue. Got the point? So like this, you can have. Now what happened? So see they want to get number. Okay. 777. Now see we can able to get the data. Now come with this data. Data will be available in all the sessions. See data will be okay available. So far good. Now last task is that what? So they want to okay last task that. So this record need to be removed. Okay, how can you remove? What is the concept will come into picture to remove the existing record?
Delete.
Delete.
So delete. So delete is the thing. Okay, see go back here. Okay, see. So far what discussed? Insert, update, and delete. So what exactly delete is nothing but what? Okay, see delete. So delete is nothing but to remove an existing record. Got the point? Let's see one more time. So see insert is a new record. Update is a existing record we are trying to modify. What about delete? To remove an existing record from the table, from the database table. Okay, see so remember if you want to perform update or delete, compulsory record should be. Suppose like go back here. Now what happened? I put something like okay, see something like this value. Now what happened? Tell me. It will say 0 rows. Okay, see what happened? Number of rows update because so there is record. So if you want to perform update or delete, compulsory record should be there. Then only you can able to do the things. Okay. So clear so far, this is fine, no issues. Now what happened? Last task that they want to remove the data. How can remove? You should go for delete. Okay, so delete syntax is that what? So delete from table name. So syntax are very important. Go back here. So see, okay, put all the same thing and put here. Okay. Copy the same value. Okay, see, go back here. So select star from table name. So see, this is fine. Now what happened? So delete from Table name. What happened? Tell me. What will be? What will happen? What will happen?
Remove all records.
So it will remove all the records from the table. So see what happened. Now what about here? Data will be there. Yes or no? Yes, because DML data
without
will
comment.
be there. So now what happened? Now tell me, is it correct? This is not correct. So we should revert the changes. Go to rollback. Because I don't want these changes anymore. So go for rollback. Now same thing. Now what happened? You should go for filtering cons. That is, so where Aadhaar number equal to, we should take the Aadhaar number. Got the point? So filter. This is called as filtering cons. We'll see the same thing tomorrow. The filtering cons. Okay. Now go back here, copy the same thing and try to put here. Okay. Got the point? Now see, we can able to remove the record. So remove record, cross verify, record won't be there. So commit this data will be there. Clear so far? So see, we can able to get. Okay, so clear so far. This is no issues. Okay, say delete. Okay, so delete is nothing but it will remove the existing record. Okay, so what about so far good. Now what about truncate? Anyone? Truncate is nothing but what exactly truncate will do? Truncate will do?
It will delete all records. It will maintain only structure of table.
Okay, see what happened. So see, truncate will remove all the records. Okay, see, what about delete? Tell me, delete. We can remove all records or we can remove specific records. Anything. Okay, so whereas here truncate no specific record can remove all the syntax is that what? So truncate table. So table. So go back here. So see, I am trying to truncate. I don't able to go for show tables. So copy the same value. Now see. Okay, select star from table. Now see, we're having 3 records. Here also will have 3 records because we commit data, 3 records will be available. Okay. Now what happened? Now I am trying using truncate. So truncate table name. What will happen? Tell me, it will remove all the records. So see, here will be 0 records. What about session 03? 03?
3 is there.
3. Because now what happened in Snowflake, truncate is also DML. So DML. So that's why. So see, we can able to roll back the changes for the point of see. So here, this is important point in Snowflake. Truncate is a DML. We can able to revert the changes. See, we can able to get the data back for the point of clear so far. So this is now tell me difference between delete versus truncate versus drop. Exactly what exactly things. So drop is a DDL. Okay, so delete and truncate is a DML. What difference is that what delete is specific records or all records? Remove all records. What about drop? Tell me, drop.
Permanently drop in the from database.
Okay,
Drop is auto commit command. DDL command.
DDL command. So permanently remove from the database object. Got the point? So like this way you can able to make it done. Okay, this is truncate. And what about merge? Any idea merge?
No.
Okay, see the same thing. So merge is nothing but what say DML statement. Okay, see at a time we can perform
Multiple
insert, update, and delete. So based on the condition. So this one will see the Snowflake thing. Okay, the streams concept we can able to see. As of now, understand merge is a DML statement. It is you can able to perform insert, update, and delete based on the condition. So syntax I'll try to explain. So merge into target table. This is a thing a little bit confusing. We'll see using source table on joining condition. Okay, so this is the thing. So when we'll see the same in detail in Snowflake. So when matched, then update or delete. When not matched, we can put then insert. Okay, it's a simple thing. When so record is there, we can able to perform update or delete. When it is there, we are trying to. So this is to perform insert, update, and delete based on the condition. Got the point? A simple thing. Now one more thing. Suppose like I joined a company. Okay. Now what happened? Okay, see, they're asking to collect the. Say they're asking to come to the office, come to office campus, and collect the laptop. Okay, simple thing. Tell me, can I go directly? What should be there? I should have ID and access. Same thing. Now what happened in database? If we want to perform any DMLs or DDLs or anything, now what we should have privileges. So who will give the privileges? By using which role? Privileges? Anyone in mind?
Database admin.
That's fine. Okay, by using what they'll try to give access? So by the help of what commands? DCL.
Grants.
Grant.
Okay, so
Grant and
data. Okay, control language. So what
Language.
exactly is here having? Grant and revoke. So grant is nothing but what to give access or privileges. Okay, privileges. Okay, to perform any database operation. That is insert, update, or delete. We can able to perform. 1 second. Okay, see what happened. So to give access or privilege to perform any database operation, like selecting, inserting, updating, so creating. Now tell me what is before that we're having instances or database environment. What are the database environment here having the real-time projects? What things? Instances. It's a development,
Development, states,
testing. So UAT, prod.
BAT.
Okay, so UAT, prod, SID. There's so many. Now tell me, suppose like in the production we can have the write access. We'll have
No.
only read access will be there. So these things, how can I control with the help of this grant and revoke? So revoke is nothing but what? Take back the privileges. Suppose like
Remove the access.
suppose like you joined a project as data migration project. Okay, so suppose like you joined on 2024. Okay, so up to 2026, 2 years project is there. Now what happened after completion of this project? So they have moved to another project. Now what happened? They try to remove the access. How can we should go for a revoke? See one more time. Snowflake. We'll see the same thing in Snowflake. These things I have to understand. Snowflake. The Snowflake account create with the help of SAS. Login with user ID and the password. Next step is that what we should have database and the schema. So if you want to operate, what should have? We should have DCL, that is grant permission. Grant permission to create any definition, that is create. And what we should do next to create, then DML, that is insert. Now tell me, insert is nothing but say not, these are transactions. These transactions are not auto committable. Then we should go for TCL, commit the data. And next step is that what? How to see the data by using select the state for the point of see. First, you should have one Snowflake account, database, schema, privileges to perform any operation, create, insert, commit, and see one more time. So see, we should have grant access, then we should have create table syntax, then insert, then commit, then fetch the data, that is select statement. See, almost like all the command has been covered here. So see, so DCL, okay, DCL, DDL, DMSC, this is what this is. What command? This is DCL, data control language. What is create? This is DDL, data. What about insert? Insert is a DML. It is called as transaction. These transactions, how can I control? We should go for TCL statement. Okay, now data is there. Now I want to fetch the data. How can I fetch the data? We should go for what? Sure. DL, that is data retrieval language or query language. Like this, we can able to get it. Okay, see. So as of now, what you should know, I have given so many tasks. So almost like 10 tables acted. Okay, create 10 tables. So before that, so create a database, multiple database. So then create the tables, insert some data, populate some data. See, if you complete this concept now, like almost like all SQL concepts will be covered. So DDL, DML, TCL, and DR. Okay, so try to this task so that all the concepts will be covered. SQL statements will be closed. So think like, okay, so when not sending a task, now try to follow the coding standards. Okay, see, so you should send like this. Okay, 1 second, let me show you. See what happened. Okay, we should follow the spelling mistake should be avoided. Okay, see, like this coding element should be there with the proper name should put. And same thing go for insert statement. Okay, like this. Okay, as like one time effort, no, like try to put efforts like this enable. Commit data, see the data. Okay. Next go for update statement. See, when you are performing update statement, now what we should do? What we should do? First, we should select the data. See, fetch the data, update the data, confirmation, and commit. See, first we should select the data, update the data, then confirm whether it's correct or not. Once you confirm, like commit, because once you commit, we can't able to roll back those changes. Okay, see, before updating, so first before committing, first we should check the data, cross verify, do the unit testing. If it is working fine only, then commit data, or else do the rollback. Okay, so here I am executing one statement. Okay, see, we'll explain this one later tomorrow class. Order session set auto commit. I execute the same thing. You also put the same thing equal to false and try. Okay, tomorrow I'll explain what exactly it means. So before doing any DMLs, try to execute this statement. Order session set auto commit equal to false. I'll explain this thing later tomorrow class. Okay.